Okay. Good morning, Ochi Squared. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a new vlog. This is a continuation of last week's video. Ne? I hope you watched that video. If you haven't, please go back and watch that video so that you can understand this one. So we are in Arrow North. The time right now, what's about 8? It's about 8. Hello.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
7:59.
Okay, the time right now is 7:59, 8 o'clock. We are ready to hit the road. Yeah, so from Arrow North. No, I didn't freeze. I don't know what to say. Yo, guys, okay, fine. Sorry. And I'm not going to cut it out, Yazzie. So yes, we are about to leave Arrow North, and then Siphume. Oh no, Siphume. So guys. And then yes, we're going back home finally to Little Human and my sister. Of course. So yeah, let's go guys. This is the outfit of the day, guys. Now I like Ibani Yazi because I don't like my hair all over my face. So as you've been seeing me like this, I hardly let this hair down. But anyway, let's show you the outfit. So this is the dress. I showed you guys this dress, and then I'm wearing this sandal that I got from Mr. Price, and I'm carrying my bag. Shemle bag, yes, it's been working so hard because trips, yes. But anyway, yes, this is us. But I go heavy. There's nothing much here, yes. Cartland Traveler, I prefer to have it backing at Tinkulana in case I need to put things here. Yeah, well. So yes, this is her. Nice and comfortable. And the weather, it's a little bit warm. So we're gonna survive. Guys, the other thing that I forgot to mention, I'm bloated. I am bloated. So I think we're gonna need to pass by the garage. Uthe, let's get Eno. So we're gonna try Eno and then hopefully izonceda. So I haven't had my coffee because I'm bloated. Then also didn't prefer ukusela iti, but apha akho green tea. So I was like, I mhlambi we'll get something on there. So we're gonna get Eno and then yes, let's go. Guys, I'm only thinking about now. I'm only thinking about it now. Kuba ndinibonise le ndawo, but ke ngoku sesidrivile sahamba. But you get but you get the idea. It's a beautiful place here in Alon North.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
Oh, okay. It's a beautiful place here in Alon. Your phone, babe. Oh. Usandophuma yazi ushifona apha emotweni.
Oh, all right, mommy. Are you guys on your way back?
Yeah, siyaphuma ngoku.
Mana Innova.
Kule garage. Change. But ili healthy mosebo. Oh, xolo. Tsakanyani kanti? I wish bendihlala apha ndizoyifuna every morning yazi. Siye Goli. Ndithe sorry. Hayi nakwetsafa nomnye. Hayini bethu andiziphinda ndiyithenge yazi uxolweni. Iphi kanje nditsarhayo? Khawuphinde uvule ndibone. Ndifuna nje ukuyibona. Uza naye? Ndithe sorry. Hayi mna ngelo xesha. Ayidingi nehane yazi. Ayidingi. Hayi andizoyifaka ayidingi. I-right. Thank you. Choka mnandi. Oh, yabona ndizotsho ndiphilele ndiqunjelwe. Isinto sam siqunjelwe. Let me show you guys what's in this handbag, Yazim. Oh, okay, so we're facing the sun, so reflection but anyway, it's not gonna be that interesting. It's my wallet, it's the phone chargers, it's my coffee. This is now gonna be my travel buddy because ingamnandi iyangena apha ebhegini. So as if sizawuphinda bekhona ezinye trips ayibo. Anyway, and then there's that's my phone. Oh, is it? Okay. There's gonna be more trips, so let's go forget. Okay, it's my phone. Oh, by the hashtag what? Good. And then I got this. Ngoku bendithenga ikofu, ne? I got this. Anyway, Kofega Bay. I got this. I got two. But Bay doesn't eat dark chocolate, so I get two. And then there's my hand cream, or Vaseline for my lips, and then hand cream, and then Vicks.
Then there's a big bottle of coffee.
Then there's Vicks for impumlo zam ziba dry, so ndiyandithambisa Vicks, and then my earrings. I put my earrings here. That's all. Yazi kule bag sham ayigcwelanga tu. Yeah, that's all. What's this? Oh, and a pen. Oh yeah, there's a pen and you are assembly clip. There's a pen and my lip does. That's it. Let me show you guys what I ordered. I don't know if I don't remember, but anyway. Oh no, I did a shop, but anyway, it's like an immune booster. I just forgot what they call it, but in a ginger, in a lemon, in an apple juice. It's warm though, and that's using, but yeah, even is follow. La powder baby city batsaga. Eepy. Okay. We're in Bloemfontein now. Waiting for our order. Let me just see. We ordered a breakfast for Bay, a cappuccino for Yena, second one for the day, and then Mnandi Ode iced coffee. I'm not gonna have breakfast because I ate the ribs and chips not so long ago. Guys, how cute is this? So if you've got a dog, you can just bring them here. They'll have food for free and water and drink water. There's water in this one. I stand the side, yeah. Oh, just for free. Now I wish I had a puppy. Little human is enough. Hello, Nana. Oh, and you morning. Hello, and you morning, Johnny. And you morning, a day passed, then 2 days, and then a month had passed. Hey, please pause your phone. Had not yet completed the brick. Did you miss us? Yes. How much? 100. Okay. Oh, 100. Yes. Okay, we missed you too. I know. You know. Finally, we're home. We just got home to this, guys. If I'm saying we just got home to this, I'm not lying. Like Nazia impahla zethu. Like you see, those are the clothes we just got offered from the car. There's the suitcase there, as you can see. And as we walk in, okay, so my sister cooked spinach. I hope they're right. And gavunuvula, but it looks like spinach. And then this is beetroot, and that's with it's beetroot. I don't know if this is carrot or apple, I don't know, or peach. I've got no idea. But listen, taste though. And then this is meat, and then potatoes, and then chakalaka. So we picked up Little Human from it's some museum though in Pretoria. the Melrose Museum House, I think. Yes, that's where we found them. She's got an event there in Anichomiake, her friend. They doing catering, so I don't know what it's called, la event. I can't remember, but what they do is bona bathengisa ukutya. It's like a market, yeah. It's like a market. I think that would be a market, and then bona they are on the food side. So I did buy a sausage and wings because they were still busy with chips. So I was like, okay, let me just get sausage and chips. And then yeah, we're home, guys. Gonna rest. I'm not even unpacking. We'll unpack during the week.